Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So this काम झाले कंप्लीट हे उरल्या नो सगळे ग्रिल्स आणि
I'll just check.
Otherwise, keep it in such a way that they can access it from outside.
Because in water everything is fine.
Yeah. So we can place it at the corner also, not an issue. Sarko rasta kode and service it from outside.
So where do you want to get down? Not here? Yeah. No, but you don't want the same over here, covered? Yeah, that's right. No, road we said we're putting open.
This area?
Yes. So they're crossing over here, no, on this ramp they're crossing. So I'll make one ramp over there for that gutter.
We will put those temporary metal barricades.
Yeah, steel barricading. Same.
Just like this. When the vehicle comes, you can just open it. Your vehicles are going to come in? Only of the air side. Okay. Tancho vehicle. Yeah. We need to ensure that Tanka, no. Last time I think there was a problem and that's why they are hesitant to this. Tanka smooth understood of their vehicles and all that. Let them come go. Like the area tanchi, no, for all purposes. Okay. But only thing we should ensure that they park it in such a way that I saw
That is another police outpost. One is in Ganges, one is over there. Yeah, I mean ramp steps kunna ramp side. Take a wooden platform and touching it.
Okay, must take a
Rips. Oh, yes.
E-rickshaw
use Korea.
You can use e-rickshaw if it is possible. Because e-rickshaws can drop here and because it will require a small
place
turn and go.
That's better. E-rickshaw. We will use all e-rickshaws. Angapasun drop e-rickshaw. E-rickshaws can come up to this point.
Yeah, no? That's the reason we have kept these two.
No. That's also what we will do. We do a ramp for this also. So what we'll do? This area will use only for e-rickshaws only. So the maximum within this area e-rickshaw drop simple. Understood? No. We will not keep this thing of buggy. We'll keep it out. Now, well and good, and that is it. E-rickshaw is a primary requirement. Understood? No, only for the elderly and the disabled, especially able. Understood? So, you have 20 कितले हात यात press करपाचो हांगाच. Understood? हांगापासून आयले, हांगा वयर आयले, so when we get a full ramp done for this, no? Because इतल्याच मुलांनी घालून आखीच करूया
ये नहीं.
So that smoothly हाडून वयर मेवता पळय.
Please, sir.
Friction down to what then?
From that so further you have people for doing this? This benches will go.
फादर सर तुम्ही इन्स्पेक्शन केलं आहे कितले कसे काम चाललं तुमचं
आज आमचे इन्स्पेक्शन विथ द कमिशनर सो संदीप जाकेस आणि दुसरे फंक्शनल एरिया हेड्स just to take a review of where we are, and we see that most of our works are on time, on schedule.
Okay.
Some are 90% complete, some are 80% complete, but we have a target. We have a target at least by 15, 17, everything should be ready, and we will do that.
आयज आमी रिव्यू घेतिल्लो हा अलॉंग विथ द चर्च ऑथॉरिटीज एंड द सेक्रेटेरिएट आनी आमी हें पळयलां की आमचीं कामां चडशीं ऑलमोस्ट 90% कंप्लीट जाल्लीं हा आनी आमचो जो टार्गेट आमी दवरलेलो हा बाय 15 आमचें सगळें जाग्यार पडटलें. And both the church and the government, we are working together to ensure that we have a very successful exposition. And as far as the works are concerned, we will ensure that we get all the work in place by the 16th.
आणि सर ते एल्डर आणि डिजेबिलिटी हा त्यांना कितें स्पेशल कितें हा
होय सगळे elderly आणि तुझे people with special needs, some arrangements have been done for them specifically. Especially the church has taken initiative to ensure that through various parishes all people have been contacted and their requirements have been taken into account, and a special queuing system and a system to ferry them using amche e-rickshaws have been done, and we will take care of all of them.
आणि सर ते गार्बेज आणि टॉयलेट वॉशरूम कितें अरेंजमेंट
We
सारखे
have
हा
got the agencies on board. We are having a proper briefing with them, and we will ensure that all the waste management and sanitation is properly taken care of.
ओके बाय 15 वर्क विल बी डन
By 15th, 16th, all the agencies will be on board, will be having a thorough briefing, and by 17th, 18th, we should be ready for the exposition.
ओके सर